In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games Services in GTA 5. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and exit all of Epic Games and Steam launchers. So just right click and exit, right click, exit all of them, go to Task Manager, just exit Steam or Epic Games or GTA 5. If you see them, just right click and then end task. Go to details and then do the same thing and just make sure there's no Steam running. If you see one, click end process 3. Now try to relaunch everything again. Relaunch Epic Games and relaunch GTA 5 and see if this fixes the issue. Now if this doesn't fix the issue, then go to this PC and here you want to go to documents. So here's documents. You're gonna see Rockstar Games, so I recommend deleting this folder. So after deleting it, you want to go and exit all of these Steam and Rockstar Games and then delete the folder. Delete the Rockstar Games folder from documents. So after deleting it, restart your computer and this should hopefully fix your issue.